Hi friends, my name is Harsha studying 9th class B section in s.ZPHS BOYS KAMALAPURAM. Now I am explaining our sounds. In the first line there are 4 words. They are pleasure, misery, happiness, delight. Among them pleasure, happiness, delight means showing happiness, misery means sadness. So here the odd one is misery. In the second line there are 4 words. Note, diary, book, copy. Among them note, diary, book same category, but copy is different one. So here the odd one is copy. In the third line there are 4 words. TV, computer, mobile, scanner. Among them TV, computer, mobile same category, but scanner is different one. So here the odd one is scanner. In the fourth line there are 4 words. Display, exhibit, appear, show. Among them display, exhibit, show means a setting of presentation of sometimes. Appear, so here the odd one is appear. In the fifth line there are 4 words. Scornful, contemplate, smoking, diversity. Among them scornful, contemplate, smoking means making of fun of the sometime. Diversity means variety of, so here the odd one is diversity. In the sixth line there are 4 words. Illuminating, gladdening, pleasing, gratifying. Gladdening, among them gladdening, pleasing, gratifying means satisfying, but illuminating means explain sometimes. So here the odd one is illuminating. Thank you.